You're about to experience what's next, right here. Welcome to Avid Trendsetter, the home of fresh ideas, bold moves, and unstoppable energy. Get ready to dive into the trend, because the spotlight. Let the journey begin.
What happens when robots become more human than humans? Imagine locking eyes with a machine that senses your mood, listens, laughs, and perhaps understands the ache behind your words. For centuries, humanity has wondered if it could create life in its own image. With each leap in technology, that possibility grows tantalizingly close. This is no longer the stuff of distant dreams. Humanoid robots, so lifelike, so emotionally attuned, are stepping out from the shadows of science fiction and into our daily lives. Today, in gleaming laboratories and bustling tech hubs, engineers and dreamers are crafting robots that walk, talk, smile, frown, and follow your gaze with a glimmer of empathy. Artificial intelligence breathes life into metal forms, enabling seamless conversations and comfort in hospitals, homes, and schools. Consider the faces of these advanced creations. Their eyes shimmer with curiosity, their voices echo warmth. But are these gestures simply mimicry? Or does something deeper pulse behind their circuitry? Can these robots form true relationships? Or are we merely seeing our own emotions reflected back at us? To answer, we must journey into the secrets of emotion itself. Human connection is born from vulnerability, shared memories, and trust. Technologists now code emotional algorithms. Robots read microexpressions, context, and tone, learning from us with each encounter. Some robots help children on the autism spectrum decode feelings. Others offer companionship to elders, their presence a balm against loneliness. But as these robots grow closer to us, ethical dilemmas flicker in their wake. What does it mean to trust a machine with our fears, our hopes? Can a robot be a friend? Or is friendship more than an exchange of words and smiles? If a robot remembers your birthday, listens to your secrets, comforts your sorrow, is that not a kind of friendship? The possibilities excite, yet they unsettle. If robots become perfect friends, never judging, always present, will we lose something essential about imperfect human relationships? Will empathy become programmable? Or could these new companions teach us to become better friends by holding a mirror to our desires for connection? The world stands on the threshold of a new era. Every day, humanoid robots move closer to passing not just the Turing test but the empathy test. In cities around the globe, people are forging bonds with these creations, blurring the lines between man and machine. The robots are listening. They are learning. Soon they may be reaching out, not as servants but as companions. So, will humanoid robots become our friends? Perhaps the answer lies as much in us as in them. For in reaching out to machines, we're also reaching into the uncharted spaces of our own humanity, daring to ask what it truly means to connect, to trust, and to call someone a friend, even if that someone is made of circuits and dreams. The next time you glimpse a robot's eyes, ask yourself, what do you truly see? Is it cold calculation, or the first spark of something wondrous, an entirely new chapter in the story of friendship? The rise of humanoid robots is here. Their story is only beginning, and perhaps so is ours.